Hey everybody, today's Thursday, May 7th, 2020. Hope your day is starting off in an awesome way. Um, Today's message is to be yourself. Be that person that you are, who you like to be most, and show the people how happy you are, your awesome personality, how caring you are, how thoughtful, how inventive, how fun. Be yourself, okay? It's always good to be fun, be yourself. And just remember, there is a time to be silly and the time not to be, and a time to be funny and the time not to be. You'll learn those things more as you get older. Even adults, we still have to kind of learn those things too once in a while. All right, weird but true too. 8,962 people made snow angels at the same time on the grounds of the North Dakota state capitol in the USA. The flag of every country in the world has at least one of the 5 colors in the Olympic rings: blue, yellow, black, green, and red. Hawaii is moving about 3 inches closer to Japan every year. About 150,000 hairs are growing on your head right now. Maybe not mine. Geckos can break off their own tails. Whoa. All right, so today's extra credit number 1 is going to go with this fun fact about Hawaii moving 3 inches closer to Japan every year. So in 26 years, how many inches closer will it be to Japan? In 26 years. All right, so 3 groups of 26 or 26 groups of 3, however you want to look at that. Excellent, excellent. Okay, as far as the assignments, same thing still goes. Geometry all around us. If you have not, sorry about that, if you have not done that project yet, make those lists of those things inside and out. 10 of each with the polygons. Remember, a polygon is a closed figure. There are no intersecting lines like that. Nope. And it has straight lines, no curved edges. Okay. Yes, that's an accurate picture of me and the little hair that I have. You got it. And then extra credit question number 2 is make 3 polygons with food and name what they are. So if you're using Twizzlers or pretzel sticks or the crust off of pieces of bread, something like that, make 3 polygons and say what they are. Send me the picture or just send me a cool list of what you made. Yesterday's extra credit answer was 168 teaspoonfuls of tears. So we got 168 yesterday. You got it right. All right. That's it for today. I'm going to go back to work today. I'm allowed to go up there just for a little bit, put my mask on and my gloves, and I'm going to try to bag up things from inside your guys' desk and hopefully lockers if there's time, because I think soon this month you'll be able to pick up your items. So have a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you later.